That's a hard act to follow. I stand here looking out this vast sea of humanity, and it reminds me of Arlo Guthrie as he took the stage at Woodstock in 1968 and looked out over this huge crowd of humanity, 500,000 strong, and just shook his head and said, "A lot of freaks, man." I feel real comfortable here in this audience tonight. I feel real safe. I don't think I've ever been in a place with so many tree huggers all in one place at one time. Ecology and the environment, in my mind and in my experience, is an inclusive and collaborative dynamic. Here tonight we've got a human population pretty much covered. A lot of people in this audience tonight. Well, what is not here tonight are representatives of the other communities that make up the natural world. So I'd like to take a few minutes tonight before we get on with the center part of our program to invite the members of the natural community who are not here tonight to come and join us and to be a part of this discussion, to have a voice. Humans have a voice. Humans have rights in a lot of ways, in a lot of different ways. The animals, the plants, and all of the natural world do not have the same kind of voice in the world. And so I would like to invite the animal kingdom and the plant kingdom into this gathering so that it has a voice and that it's a participant, it's included in the work that we're about to do here this weekend. To begin with, I'd like to start by calling in the spirits of the bird people. This next part's not going to be so easy, and I'm going to need some help. I've got a lot of help here tonight, so I'm going to use you guys. We're going to call in the rest of the animal world and the rest of the plant kingdom and the plant world to join us here in this place tonight. I've written a little invocation that's a kind of a lyric piece that's got a refrain after every stanza. It's very simple. I need you guys to help me with the refrain. It's only 3 words, not hard. The 3 words are, "May it continue." So I'm going to read the stanza, and I need you to help me with the refrain. And I need loud voices. The animal world, the plant world, the people out there that aren't here tonight need to hear you. They need to be let known what is going on here tonight and be invited into this place. So use your voices to invite them here. May the brown earth and the green leaves thrive in color and in grace. May it continue. May the clear air and the cumulocirrus clouds be there in the sky and in each breath always. May it continue. May the water made of sweet minerals and salt in small streams and large rivers flow forever and forever flow to the seas. May it continue. May the sun shine warm and bright and the moon give light at night, shining from shook foil. May it continue. May the beautiful birds of Hawaii and the luminous parrots of Peru fly far and fast, and may their number grow. May it continue. May the deer and the elk, the antelope and the ibis move and migrate, leap and lope across plain and wooded plateau. May it continue. May the whale and the dolphin and the manatee swim deep in dark oceans and lagoons and sing. May it continue. May the elephants forever in families roam trunk to tail, trumpeting bliss. May it continue. May waves of warm frost linger in bush and blaze that puts fire in the peat of loam and let lick cry from ripe vine. May it continue. May the rose climb through the cold murmur of morning dirt. May dark mulch coax tendrils from sleep. May it continue. And may wild words come flying from green coils, and may each breath rustle through the beard of blue moss in the sound of song. May it continue. May it continue.